welcome to Cafe Enoma and welcome to our reaction to Box Set, and we are going to react to the song Amsterdam. This is the first time listening to this song.
Yeah. First time even to this artist,
Yeah,
I think.
Box Set, yeah.
Now I woke on Friday morning. I couldn't get the airplanes from my head. I held my baby a little closer. Spent the day in bed, yeah. I laid there thinking about tomorrow, all the goods I need and all I have. But something's bound to make me break me. I'm back in Amsterdam. Will you bathe me in a chest of Spanish gold, or tear away the promise from the miner's only soul? Spin the wheel of fortune, risking everything I am, all or nothing, back in Amsterdam. I won't know, I'm back in Amsterdam. We're on the bus forever after. Pass the hat around the blonde cafes. Every terrorist ringing with the laughter. The yogurt grinder. I played a Vonda Park on every Sunday. Sing enough to sleep, my only plan. 'Cause all around the rivers overflowing, I'm back in Amsterdam. Will you force this for a fortune in my hand, or look around the corner, changing passion to demand? Spin the wheel of fortune, risking everything I am, from the river back in Amsterdam. Oh no, I'm back in Amsterdam. Well, there's life around the corner, and sometimes life just disappears, like romance in the marriage years. Well, I feel the bread and roses, but still a life would offer me to take me where I long to be, back in Amsterdam. Alone, 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 alone in Amsterdam.
infant version of Blues Traveler. What are your thoughts on this, Kirti?
There are those songs, there is absolute simplicity, but you still connect with the song a lot deeply. And there is this song, there is, there is nothing that is lacking. There is everything that is to be there in a song, but yet it fails to connect with. So I don't know what is it exactly. There was harmonica playing, there was music playing throughout the song, there was him singing, but there is somewhere you're not able to connect with what is happening here. In fact, we both love harmonica, we love wind instruments, whether it's flute, harmonica, trumpets, and other horns, etc. But here it was all there, but yet not enough for some reason.
For me, the main issue is with the title itself. Whenever I see a major place is used as the title,
yes.
it's not saying back in Amsterdam like he was singing in the song. It's just saying Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Whenever that happens, for me, if it's like a song title Mumbai, for example, I've been born and raised in Mumbai. So obviously, I'll say, okay, the song is going to be all about Mumbai.
All about us,
Something about the culture, something about the places, something about the food maybe, something about the beaches maybe. So for me, it's all about, this is what it's going to be about. Or maybe the fast-paced life, the financial capital of the country and all that. So I thought maybe it's going to be about that, if it's Mumbai. So similarly, when I hear a song like Amsterdam, I'm assuming it's going to be about those canals and whatever we see, the cycles and the cafes and a lot of other things in Amsterdam, the young students who make it their second home or their first home for a long time.
Yeah.
So I thought it would be about all that, but instead it became such a big story about himself and things like that.
Yeah.
I just felt it was being used just to catch on to that popularity of the city, the name of the city. So naming it Amsterdam, definitely, obviously it will come in the searches more, especially, of course it may have been made before the internet, but even then, people they hear the title of a city and they want to listen to that song. What is it about? Especially if they've been to Amsterdam, they like Amsterdam, they are from Amsterdam, they like to hear songs like that. But this is a poor reflection of Amsterdam. It doesn't really give much details about Amsterdam. So for me, connecting it on that level was a total disconnect, if you get what I mean. So it was a poor song. They sounded amateurish. They used a lot of instruments, like Kirti said, but they sounded amateurish for some reason. Maybe the inferiority in the lyrical department already made its mark on my mind. So when I heard the music, I really couldn't get into it either ways. So it was sad. It's very few times that this actually happens of the thousands of songs that we've listened to and reacted to on YouTube. But whenever it happens, I know this is not for me. And when I say this is not for me, it's actually not for millions of people.
Yeah.
I'm like Mr. Average when it comes to music. And I've realized the power that I've had.
Yeah.
When you talk about friends, family, everyone realizes that about me. So whenever I say this isn't going to work, more or less, I know this is not a number one. At least not out of the little town wherever they come from. These guys.
This is not the only band, I think, and there are millions and millions of songs.
Everclear comes to mind.
Yeah.
Santa Monica.
There have been, numerous. They think it may work. Maybe somebody is searching for Amsterdam, or somebody is searching for.
Like I said, this
Santa
may be
Barbara,
before the
it
internet.
It could be anybody.
Anybody,
They may have thought of that, but it fails miserably. Do you know why? Because these places are so popular. There's billion plus things already about them.
Yeah,
you're not going to.
I have watched movies of the 80s and 90s, at least 10 movies that I can remember, Dutch movies, which is so beautiful. Amsterdam and the Dutch countryside is absolutely beautiful with so many flower gardens, windmills, you scenic landscape almost everywhere you go, including in Amsterdam, even though it's a big city and things like that.
And nowadays, with Bollywood, for the last one decade.
You could talk about all that, but it keeps it too shallow. This artist or band, group, whatever they are, for me it's non-significant right now. Who they are, where they come from, all that. Because I don't think it's made enough of an impression on me to ever listen to them again. The thing is, it's just a poor reflection. When you name a song Amsterdam, it's putting down that place because you're not doing justice to that place. When it's so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
That's it for this reaction video.